Hello dear students, again you are most welcome in this next video. In this video we are going to discuss about the phylum Aschelminthes. This is also known as the Nemathelminthes or Nematoda. Dear students, first we will discuss that why it is named so, Aschelminthes or Nemathelminthes or Nematoda. Got it? So here Aschelminthes, it is also known as Nemathelminthes. Nemathelminthes. Helminthes or Nematoda. Okay. So dear students, you know nemat, it is the term. Nemat, it is comes from the thread. And helminthes, you know, we have discussed earlier. Helminths means what? Worm. So these are the animals have the thread-like body and the cylindrical body. So these are the worms which have the cylindrical body or thread-like body are known as the nematodes or Nemathelminthes. Okay. So the phylum or category or taxa, we are studying it, Aschelminthes or Nemathelminthes or Nematoda, it is named so. Got it? Dear students, what is the habitat of this phylum? Animal habitat is mostly parasite. Some are free living. So mostly parasite, but which type of parasite? Just like phylum Platyhelminthes, these are endoparasite, because they are living inside the host body. So inside the body they are parasite, that is why these are known as the endoparasite. Next, dear students, let's discuss here what the body organization is organ system level. Okay. So organ system level body organization, because here the digestive system, it is incompleted in phylum Platyhelminthes, but now it is completed in this phylum. Okay. So here next one is what? The body symmetry. So these are the animals which have the bilateral symmetry. Okay. So bilateral symmetry they have. Next one is what? Germ layers. So germ layers are 3. That is why these are triploblastic. Okay. So triploblastic animal these are. You know very well what are the 3 germ layers? Ectoderm, endoderm, and middle one is mesoderm. So these 3 germ layers are present, and the body cavity or coelom is also present. But which type of coelom is found? It is pseudocoelom. What is pseudocoelom? Dear students, you know it is the coelom, but it is incompleted. So how it is incompleted? Let's discuss here. You know, we have discussed in first video of this chapter. This is the what? This is ectoderm, and this is inner one what? Endoderm. So we have shaded it endoderm very darkly, and you are looking the next one by different color. I am using the yellow. So these are the patches of what? Coelom. Okay. Because you are looking here, this is the little bit patches, one little bit space is here and here. These are the smaller space, and it is not the complete space or complete cavity. That is why this coelom is present, but this is the incomplete coelom or pseudocoelom. Pseudo means false, coelom means body cavity. So this is the body cavity, but it is the false body cavity. That is why it is known as the pseudocoelom. And these animals, the phylum Aschelminthes or phylum Nematoda, the animals of this phylum are known as what? Pseudocoelomates. mates. Got it? So these are the animal. Next one, segmentation. Segmentation is absent. Okay. Next one is skeleton. So skeleton is also absent, but one most important thing, that the one outermost covering of body, it is known as what? It is known as cuticle. Okay, this is made up of what? Chitin. So it is made up of chitin. So cuticle covering, it is the covering by which they can protect themselves inside the host body. क्यों? क्योंकि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग अगर नॉनवेज खाते हैं तो नॉनवेज जो हमारा पूरा डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में, लेकिन ये जो है जो क्यूटिकल है, आप लोग जब नॉनवेज खाते हैं तो पूरा जो नॉनवेज वो तो डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है, लेकिन ये एनिमल्स जो राउंड वॉर्म जो कृमि है, राउंड वॉर्म इट इज द एग्जाम्पल और इट इज द पैरासिटिक एनिमल ऑफ दिस फाइलम. यू नो, राउंड वॉर्म जो है जब आपके इंटेस्टाइन में रहता है, आपके स्टमक में रहता है, तो वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता, ना ही कोई भी उसके ऊपर एसिडिक इफेक्ट होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके ऊपर ये कवरिंग होती है क्यूटिकल एंड इट इज द अनडाइजेस्टेबल. ओके, एंड इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द होल एनिमल बॉडी फ्रॉम एनी टाइप ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम. गॉट इट? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? स्केलेटल सिस्टम तो हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिया. अब बात करते हैं किसकी? सेक्सुअलिटी की. सो सेक्सुअलिटी, before the sexuality let's discuss the respiration. So these are the animals. Some animals are anaerobic in nature and aerobic, and these animals are anaerobic and so here dear students, you know, respiration occurs through the body surface. Okay. Next one is circulation. So circulation is occurs but through the mainly absent, means in whole body it is not circulated. Circulation next one, excretion. So excretion occurs through the special type of cell, renate cells. Okay, these are the S-shape structure I have told you earlier. Next one is sexuality. So sexuality of these animals, these are the dioecious animal. Dioecious, what does it mean? Dear students, tell me, what does it mean? Dioecious means unisexual. Okay, so unisexual animals are present. So in this one, male is smaller, but female is longer. Okay, they have the cylindrical body, so that is why male is smaller and female is longer and straight. Okay, this is female is longer and straight body, but here this is the coiled body, coiled at tail. So these are the male are coiled at tail. Next one, students, here which type of fertilization is found? Fertilization is internal. Okay. Next, development is indirect. So indirect development is found, and are the example, what are the example of it? Ascaris, and next one is Buchereria, and next one is Ancylostoma, and next one is Anterobius. So these are the example of this phylum. So this is all about of Aschelminthes we have discussed. If any confusion, you can contact me. Thank you for watching this video.